Welcome to today's daily market dissection. The purpose of this educational video is to point out where the Pro9 Trader rules agreed with the Pro9 Trader indicators to produce a qualified trade. Please note that these are hypothetical examples and were not taken live, and as such, they do not account for market conditions such as slippage or orders not being filled. They are for educational purposes to help you fast track your trading and improve your ability to identify our qualified trade setups. Good afternoon. Welcome to the daily market dissection for Wednesday, November 1st, 2017. Today's market is the TF. Our first trade of the day right out of the gate is a surf short. This one hits profit target and the runner grabs an extra tick by trailing at the high of the previous bar after the close of bar 10. Next, we do have this momentum in between our 9:45 and 10 a.m. news. And this one unfortunately goes against us depending if you would take a trade in that small 5-minute window. This possible single T does occur during news, so we will pass on this one. No entries on this nice short run. And this is a single T. Our 200 is not in the correct order and our turn bar did not touch the 50 EMA, so this is not a qualified trade. This continuation here at 10:58 is too close to the low of the day, and our purple line is not outside of the neutral zone, and it does not get outside of the neutral zone at this point where we could take a breakout. It is at -48 rather than the -50 or below we need to see it at. We can enter this single T as all our EMAs are in order. We are close to the low, but our purple line is outside of the neutral zone. This one hits profit target at the close of bar 4. We can begin trailing at the high of the previous bar after the close of bar 6 and widen to the green DPI after the close of bar 8, riding over this wick here on bar 11, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a continuation short, again heading into the low, but our purple line is far outside of the neutral zone. This one just hitting profit target, followed by a momentum short that also just hits profit target. Then we have a breakout short here on bar 8 at 12:59. This one hits profit target before the close of bar 10. We can begin trailing at the high of the previous bar after the close of bar 12 and adjust to the green DPI after the close of bar 14, eventually getting stopped out by this turn bar. Then we have a momentum short at 13:48, very close to FOMC news, so understandable if you'd want to sit this one out. It does just eke out a profit target, going 7 ticks when we're looking for 6 before reversing, stopping out our runner. Then we come into our 2 p.m. FOMC news, which will keep us out of this dot trend that does go against us as we get into a little chop here during news. Then we have a momentum long at 14:36, this one just hitting profit target, followed by a continuation at 15:14. We are heading into the 200, but we do have about 10 ticks of space before we hit our profit target, which this one does, and the runner grabs an extra tick by trailing at the low of the previous bar after the close of bar 5. And that is all of our qualified trades for the day.